the proof, as they say, is in the pudding. You've got the pictures of close-ups. Let's have a little wee taste of this. Oh my gosh, just like falling apart beef. Oh my god, soaking it all up in the sauce. And let's tuck in. See that boat over there? Oh Jesus Christ, that is absolutely freaking amazing. Can you see him? Just coming into picture over there. That is the tourist boat that comes around to Kenmare Bay. And every day I hear the captain of the ship going, you know that ultra famous TV chef Trevo from Amazon Prime? That's his house. And I can hear all the women go, no, oh my God, oh my God. And I'm saying, relax girls, put your clothes back on, relax, I'm not that famous, relax, relax. It's a great trip. If you're down in Kenmare, you go out around the bay, and if you do it, send me a little message and say when you go by, you're going to give me a wave. And I'll give you a little wave. I might even ask him for a glass of wine. That is how you cook the stunning, stunning rib of beef. And I'm going to eat it all. I don't even have a bit of potato with it. I'm going to eat it just like that. Sauce, freaking delicious. Give it a blast.